This is a fuel line holder that is bolts. The bolt is broken. That's why air has entered the fuel line of the 456 engine. As a result, the engine emits exhausted black exhaust. Fuel delivery is insufficient because the fuel pump intermittently stopped operating, causing low engine power and poor vehicle performance. I bought one and we replaced. After the replacement, we note how the engine run, good or bad. This is a replacement for the 5.6 injection pump. Delica Mitsubishi vehicle.